with double confirmation from end user. With double confirmation from end user, right? Yes or no? No. Simply with double confirmation from end user. Based on the given employee number with double confirmation from end user. This is my requirement. Here, no form launching and form submission activities are there. No form launching and form submission activities are there. Okay, only what is there, boss? No form launching, form submission activities are there. Only get mode request. Get mode request carrying employee number. Carrying employee number should delete the record. Carrying employee number should delete the record. Come on, guys. Only get mode request carrying employee number should delete the record. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on, are you with me? Carrying the employee number should delete the record. Carrying the employee number should delete the record. Got it? Super, was super. Right, boss. Step number one. Step number one. Add the following code in DAO interface and in DAO IMPL class. To delete the employee record based on the employee name. Based on the employee name. What it was? To delete the employee record based on the employee name. Okay. Based on the employee number. What's your workspace, guys? Here is our workspace. Oh, where is that? Where is that? Yeah, 6 months. File close all editors. File close all editors, right, boss? This is my DAO interface, guys. This is my DAO IMPL class, guys. Nice. Tell me next one. Public int. Public int. Delete employee by number. int n. In DAO interface. Next, in DAO IMPL class. In DAO IMP. Wait static string. Delete employee by number. Delete employee by number. Delete EMP from. Delete from EMP. Where EMP NO is equal to question. Delete from EMP where EMP NO is equal to question. Got it? Any non-select query update method now, boss? Int count is equal to JT dot update. JT dot update. Delete EMP by number. Delete EMP by number NO. Return count. Return count. ऐसा ना होना public int delete employee by number int and return count. Yeah, it simply deletes the number based on this. Step number 2. Add code in service interface and service IMPL class. Add code in service interface and service IMPL class, right, boss? Here is my service interface, guys. Public string, remove employee by number, int n. Service IMPL, come on. Add unimplemented methods. Add unimplemented methods. Int count is equal to EMP DAO dot employee by number return count raw. Sorry, it's not count now, boss. Let's use ternary operator. Count double equal to 0. Employee not found for deletion. For deletion. Colon. Employee found and deleted. Employee found and deleted. Guys. Employee found and deleted. In service interface, guys, paste. In service IMPL class, guys. Yeah. In service IMPL class, guys. Got it? This is in service interface. This is in service side. That was step number 3 was. This is step number 1. This is step number 2. This is step number 3. Add handler method in controller class. Controller class to perform delete employee operation. Delete employee operation. Alright, to delete the employee, what is the criteria value? Employee number. From show underscore report, how the employee number is coming as additional request parameter value. Remembered? Show underscore report page, how the employee number is coming. How the employee number is coming as additional request parameter value. What do you say, guys? It is coming simply as additional request parameter value. What do you say, guys? See this employee number. NO is the additional request parameter. NO is the additional request parameter. Agree with me, my dear? Come on. Yes, boss. Let's see. Okay, how to receive additional request parameter value to the parameter of handler method? To the parameter of handler method, tell me how to receive it. @request param or not? When you click on hyperlink, which mode request will be generated? Get mode or post mode? When you click on hyperlink, which mode request will be generated? Get mode or post mode? Get mode or post mode? Public string. Public string. Tell me. Okay. Fire employee. Fire employee. Tell me here. @request param. @request param NO into NO. @request param NO. Priyanka Illi, that is in RESTful web services, not in web application. @delete mapping in RESTful web services, not here. Please come back. Tell me. @get mapping in web application. Who is the client? Browser. Browser can send max of how many modes of request? 2 modes of request. One is get, one is post, right? One is get, one is post. Browser can send max of how many modes of request? 2 modes of request. One is get, one is post, right, boss? Yes, boss. Tell me, @get mapping. In get mapping, what is the request path? Delete underscore employee. What underscore employee, guys? Delete underscore employee. Here is my delete underscore employee. Yes, yes. Use service, Rava. Use service. Use service. Use service, boss. String message is equal to emp service dot remove employee by number in MU. Right. To double confirm. Yeah, I will tell. Wait. Now. Array, that deleted thing should reflect in the report now, boss, because all the results I am trying to show on the result page only. So better to call this one once again to get the latest data from the table. Come on. Keep the results in model attribute. Keep the results in model attributes. Yes, boss. But if you want to keep the results in model attributes, what should I do? I need to take shared memory, map object, map param pointing to shared memory. Come on. Super guys. Map dot put result message MSG. Super guys. Result message MSG. Map dot put list EMPs, comma list. List EMPs, comma list. Return LVN, logical view name. Return show underscore report. Return show underscore report boss. Return show underscore report. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Message ready, list ready, putting results in map collection, return logical view. Simply return logical view. Got it? Copy this, my dear. Come on. Add handler method in controller class to perform delete operation. Tell me here. In controller class. Yeah, double confirm through JavaScript. Wait for some time, I will tell. First, I will run the application without double confirmation. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Report, guys. Click on it. Problem is what? Directly deleting. Employee found and deleted. 22. Click on it. Employee found and deleted. 22 gone, right? 22 gone. But the problem is, I would like to, I want to display dialog box taking double confirmation. Alert box or confirm dialog box taking double confirmation. Right, boss? Super. Okay, now come here. Come here. On click is equal to on click is equal to confirm. This is confirm dialog box. Do you want to delete? Do you want to delete? One question. Do you want to delete? I am asking with double confirmation. Do you want to delete this? Yes. Yeah, here also one issue is there, I will tell. Okay. Refresh boss. Click on it. Oh, deleted, huh? Okay. Employee found and deleted. Confirm. Confirm dialog box is there now, boss. Single quote. Single quote. I think changes are not taken up. Refresh the changes. We will redeploy the application. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Report page, guys. Click on it. Okay. What's happening, Rama? I'm losing my records, but dialog box is not coming. Single acha here, single quote is not there. Huh? Okay, let me keep the single quote. Do you want to delete? Do you want to delete? I am losing all my records, but question mark is. Yeah, when I say refresh, it will try to. Yeah, dialog box came now. Dialog box came now, boss. Came. Now listen, one problem is there. Okay, deleted. But I'll say not okay, cancel. Current record is also deleted. This is very bad, na? When I say cancel, also record is deleted, right? So what should I do? The return value of this confirm dialog box should be given to browser software. Take the return, whatever result is coming by confirm dialog box should be written to whom, guys? Should be written to whom, guys? Understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Browser. If a true comes, tell me, guys. If a true comes, yeah, true comes, sends a request and deletes the record. If a false comes, okay, since cancel button is false comes, the generated request will be stopped. The generated request will be stopped. Understanding my statement, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. Now let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look. Now I kept written statement. Super. Click on it. Do you want to delete? Cancel. Still deleted. Very bad. Very bad. Written statement is taken or not taken. Refresh it. I think I have not saved here. First of all, let me save there. Yes, boss. Cancel. Still gonna? Still record gonna? 1 minute. On safe side, I will restart the application. Right click, run on server. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Cancel. Record not deleted. Cancel. Record not deleted. Cancel. Record not deleted. So that means if you suppose if I say okay, return statement will return true. True means what? Go ahead and generated request should go to server. Server side activity should happen. Record is deleted, right? Suppose I said cancel. What happens, guys? I said cancel. The generated request will be cancelled or not? The generated request will be cancelled or not? That means this return statement is equally important now, boss. Otherwise, what happens, guys? If I press OK, if I press cancel, still request goes to server and deletes the record. Then is there any meaning of taking confirm dialog box, guys? There is no meaning of what? Confirm dialog box, right, boss? Step number 5. Sai Sampath, little amount of JavaScript code we should only write, Rabal. We should also write, boss. Tell me, Priyanka Illi model and view is old, outdated one. Stop using it. Taking handler method return type as model and view is very, very old one. Very, very old one. Legacy one. Stop using it. Okay. Add confirm dialog box. Confirm dialog box. Confirm dialog box. Confirm dialog box. For the delete hyperlink. For the delete hyperlink. To take double confirmation from end user towards deleting the record. Towards deleting the record. Towards deleting the record. Copy these guys in show underscore report.js. In show underscore report.js. Say paste. In show underscore report.jsp. Are you understanding my statement? Super. Okay. This written statement is mandatory and sends true to browser. Sends true to browser. Okay. If he say okay for confirm dialog box. Confirm dialog box. And the browser continues the request. Continues the process of going, the process of sending the generated request to server. The process of sending generated request to server towards deleting the record. Towards deleting the record. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. If this written statement sends false to browser, when we say cancel for confirm dialog box, and the browser cancels the generated request. And the browser cancels the generated request. Come on, guys, convinced, my dear. Are you understanding my statement? This written statement is mandatory and sends true to browser if you say OK to confirm dialog box. If we when we say cancel. Not only confirm dialog box important, the generated result of confirm dialog box we should take it. Yeah, with this all code operations are done, boss. Okay, but one problem is there, guys. Button can also work, sir. Yes, 405 kma. Okay, if browser is sending get mode request, we don't have get mode method. Post mode request, we don't have post mode method. 405 means correct mode, request modes are not matched. But there is one issue here, boss. Everyone please notice it. Add employee. That is Sonia 1, manager, this 10. Click on register employee. 23 record is inserted now, boss. Listen. I say refresh. Continue. Having 24, Sonia 1 is repeated. Refresh. Having 25 Sonia 1 repeated, refresh. Having 26 Sonia 1 repeated. Don't you think it is called double posting problem, guys? Don't you think it is called double posting problem, guys? Come on. Okay, think about you are in an e-commerce website with this double posting problem. Okay, added items to cart. What happened? Record will be repeat. When you say refresh, previous request will be repeated. When previous request is repeated, what happens? What is the previous request? Inserting record. Anyhow, I am generating employee number dynamically. Having same different number, same record will be inserted again and again. So duplicate form submission problem or double posting problem is there. It's a side effect, boss. It's a side effect. It's a problem. And we should solve this problem. Okay, use case 1 where it damages. Okay, because employee number generated dynamically, this problem is raised. Since the employee number generated dynamically, this problem is raised. Are you noticing it, guys? Those who have done Servlet JSP with me, post is idempotent. Did I say that? Post is idempotent, right, boss? Not safe to repeat the request. Not safe to repeat the request. Are you noticing it? Get is idempotent, safe to repeat the request. Post is not idempotent, not safe to repeat the request. Post is non-idempotent, not safe to repeat the request. Okay, let's say the real serious problem. E-commerce website like Amazon. Added item to shopping cart. Okay, gone for billing. Billing items are given to whom, guys? Come on. Tell me. Going for billing. Then we have chosen mode of payment, card payment, debit card. Details have come. We given the detail. Press submit button. Circle has come. Once a page has come. Transaction successful. The so and so amount is taken from the account. But your hand is having Kujli problem. You press a refresh button on the result page of the form submission. On the result page of the form submission, you press a refresh button. So previous request will be repeated or not? The previous request will be repeated or not? I want reply. Come on, my dear. When the previous request is repeated, what happens? Tell me. When the previous request is repeated, what happens? I want reply, boss. Same amount will be deducted one more time. Double payment is taken. One more time I press a refresh. Triple time payment will be taken. It's a side effect or not? It's a side effect or not? Now listen. Actually, I have to register Sonia employee only for one time. Since end user is pressing refresh button knowingly, unknowingly, same Sonia employee is registered for multiple times with different numbers or not? Same Sonia is registered for multiple times with different numbers or not? Come on, my dear. Are you able to feel it or not? Are you able to feel it or not? Definitely it's a problem, right, boss? Definitely it's going to be a problem, right? Super, guys. What is a double posting problem? Explain double posting or duplicate form submission problem. Explain use cases of showing the problem. Explain use cases of showing the problem. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Showing the problem. And also give the solution. Solution for this problem. So give the solution for this problem. Also give the solution for this problem. Yeah. What is double posting or duplicate form submission problem, guys? Explain use cases of showing the problem and the give solution for this problem. Simply give solution for this problem. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Refreshing the result page of form submission. Refreshing the result page of form submission. Okay. Result page of submission repeats the form submission activity. And leads to double posting or duplicate form submission problem. Duplicate form submission problem. Yeah. This indicates post is non-idempotent. Generally for forms we take post only, na? Non-idempotent. That means not safe to repeat the request. Not safe to repeat the request. That means not safe to repeat the request. Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity, my dear? Simply not safe to repeat the request. Really, guys. Yeah. Problem use cases. Online card payment. Online card or UPI payment. If we refresh the result page of if you refresh the result page of card details or UPI details submission. Card details or UPI details submission. If you refresh the result page of card details oblique UPI details submission. UPI details submission. Come on. UPI details submission. UPI details submission, UPI details submission. Then tell me, double payment. Then the payment will be deducted extra. Come on, guys. The payment will be deducted extra, which leads to duplicate payment. Duplicate or double payment, which leads to duplicate or double payment. Yeah, this is the problem use case, boss. What's the solution use case, my dear? What is another one? In online employee registration. In online employee registration. In online employee registration, guys. In online employee registration, if you press refresh button on the result page of registration, come on the result page of registration. Okay, we can disable refresh button, boss, but if you disable refresh button, what he will do, you press back button, again refresh it. Come on. Yeah, there is one more solution for it, I will tell. If you press refresh button on the result page of registration, on the result page of registration results, then the same employee record will be inserted one more time with different employee number that is generated dynamic. Understanding my statement, guys? That is generated dynamic. Okay, generated. Okay, tell me solution for the duplicate or double posting form submission. Solution for the duplicate or double posting problem. Yeah, use PRG pattern. Understanding my statement, guys? PRG pattern. Post, redirect, and get pattern. What is that? I will discuss in next class. Come on, guys. Using PRG pattern, this problem can be solved. Whenever post mode request is repeated, whenever post mode request is generated, don't give reply directly to the browser. You redirect that request to get mode. You redirect that request to get mode method, get mode request processing. So Final result goes to browser from what? Get mode. Get mode request processing. So when you press refresh button, what happened? Get mode request processing will be repeated, not the post mode request processing. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Generally, get mode request processing never disturbs the application data. They try to display the data. When you repeat the request of displaying data, no side effects. No side effects. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. The post mode request given to web application should always be redirected to get mode request processing environment. So the repeat of request will repeat get mode logics. Okay, get mode logics, not the post mode logics. Are you understanding my point? Yeah, post mode logics. Not the post mode logics. Since get mode logics repetition does not create a problem, so the problem is, so the double posting problem is solved. So the double posting problem is, are you understanding my statement, guys? Post to redirect to get box. Post to redirect to get PRG pattern. How to implement this pattern, I will talk in when we meet in next class. So next class is purely on PRG pattern and introduction to security. Another 3-4 days, your batch will be over. Thank you. Understanding my statement? Yeah. Redirecting one mode request to another mode request is not a